Hello everybody. Welcome to the third daily recap of KubeCon. My name is Michaël. I'm accompanied by my colleague Wouter, a fellow KubeConner, and we're going to talk to you about our insights of today. So Wouter, how was your day?
Very good. We kicked it off with some keynotes this morning. Little change of gears from the AI talks straight into sovereignty. So what sovereignty means for people, and apparently it means a lot of different things. So we saw a lot of talks from different sponsors about sovereignty and what that means for them or their customers. Any insights from those keynotes from you, or?
Yeah, I was also happy maybe to, to get away a bit from all the AI buzz, so to finally hear something else. So my key takeaway is indeed that, for sovereignty, there are different definitions, or let's say there are kind of 5 pillars that define how you can handle sovereign cloud, for example, or sovereignty. And for me, it's a bit getting more and more clear that there are different opinions on what is actually what it means to be sovereign. Yeah.
Absolutely.
And how was your lunch today? What did you have for lunch? Let's do something crazy.
Lunch? Well, I just picked something up real quick because I was actually caught by one of the talks in the morning, which was about cluster API, so very technical, no AI inside. The maintainers of cluster API just had a quick talk about immutable versus mutable OSs and what they're doing in that field. So very good, very in-depth technical talk from that side. So very nice pre-lunch for me. Any other talks from your side in the morning, or straight into lunch?
Let's see. I also joined the Cluster API talk, and I also like the fact that you could indeed skip versions when upgrading Kubernetes clusters. It was a very nice welcoming feature, I would say. Next to that, we also joined some security-related concepts on Kubernetes, and that was also very tangible for me personally, because I'm currently working at some customers where we are also arranging some pen tests together with their partners to see how well Kubernetes is behaving. So I'm also curious to see those results.
That's going to be very exciting.
Yeah. Yes, indeed. And let's now maybe head into lunch. So for me, I had a very lovely ragu. So I would like to maybe say thanks a lot to the organization of a KubeCon event, because the lunch is always on point, at least to me.
Yeah, same for me. So it was very good. After lunch, so for me, I hung around the project showcase booth, had some talks with the projects, the maintainers, just to see what the smaller maintainers and the smaller teams are all doing around the space. And for me, for the rest of the day, there's maybe some little talks here and there that I might just join. But for me, that's a wrap up for today. I know this evening we're having a party about platform engineering. So it's going to be a busy night for me. I don't know, what else is on your plate for this afternoon?
Yeah, so I visited the next big thing in Istio world. It's like the ambient service mesh. Also very interesting to see how the things are evolving from sidecar to the ambient way of working in Istio. It was a very nice and good talk with some real performance metrics as well. And then afterwards I joined some insights from a partner with regards to how they leverage AI on Kubernetes and some best practices that they shared. Yes, for tonight I think we might be, subscribed to a couple of parties, so let's see which one we go to first. But the platform engineering one sounds very nice.
Yeah, definitely. Sounds like we need to cut ourselves into different parts. Yeah. But let's see which one we ended up in. And maybe we can share some funny stories tomorrow in our last recap of KubeCon.
Thanks a lot, Wouter, for joining me on this recap. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, everyone.